Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take long screenshot in your phone OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First of all, go to the screen for which you want to take long screenshot. I need to take long screenshot in my website. This is my own website, and make sure that this page is longer than your screen. So it's scrollable here, and yes, here I can take a long screenshot. So using button method, I would like to teach long screenshot here. Just use power button and volume down button together to take a screenshot first, and then click on scroll button in the captured image, and image will be scrolling automatically according to your page length. And yes, it will just go to bottom of our screen automatically. If you want to stop at the intermediate level, just click over the screen and it will be stopped, and you can save it. Click on done and it will be processing and saved. If you want to edit this long screenshot, you can use editing tool. This is to mark something on this screenshot, and click on the tick mark and click on save. Yes, long screenshot is saved and it is previewed. This is the long screenshots that I took using button method. In this way, you can easily take long screenshot using button method. And if you want to locate the long screenshot on your phone, go to files in the home page of your phone and click on internal storage and click on pictures folder and click on screenshots folder and locate it at the last. This is the long screenshot that I took. Oh, it's on the first. Just now it's showing. Just now after editing, it will go to first position, and yes, this is edited long screenshot. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.